back to Violetartistry. Today we're playing with pink, and I have this pink kit from Persona that I've only used for my clients because I'm too nervous to wear pink on my eyes. So today we're going to do it. I'm going to start with my skin because when you use any sort of pink, whether it's on your cheeks, on your lips, on your eyes, I feel that if you do have lots of redness in your skin, that will even be more accentuated. So I'm gonna try to get rid of, I don't know what this is, woke up with it this morning, and all this redness. I did find a product that I really love, the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, and I'm gonna use this right here where all these big pores are, mostly like my T-zone and a little bit here. It just works wonder, you'll see. So I simply just swipe this, like, look at the difference. Amazing. So once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead with my fingers and blend everything. Make sure that your skin is not overly moisturized. I put my eye cream and very little moisturizer because this is a blurring primer, and most blurring primers will start rolling off your skin once they get in contact with your moisturizer, if the moisturizer is too thick and it's not fully absorbed into your skin. Okay, so now that's done, I'm gonna go with my fingers and just kind of make sure that everything is blended and nothing rolls off my skin, because once you start putting foundation, it's gonna be a mess if you don't make sure that everything is absorbed properly. So now not only that it took away the shine, I put it on the back of my hand, it got all over my shirt. So I'm going to take my beauty blender this time instead of a brush, and I'm going to stipple this all over, starting in the most red area, which is right here in the center of the face. The reason I use a beauty blender today instead of a brush is because, again, we use this blurring stick, which creates sort of a film filling in your pores. So I don't want to go in with a brush and start disturbing all that. It's just something to keep in mind when you use blurring primers. For concealer, I'm going with the YSL All Hour Concealers, and I'm going to go right here where my darkness is, and I think go highlight my nose a little bit and just a touch on my eyelid because I want that pink to really pop. So I'm going to go a little bit with what I have left and just gently blend this in. I still have eyelash extensions, which makes things sometimes easier, sometimes hard. To set underneath the eyes, I'm going with my trusty Becca eye setting powder, just where I placed the concealer. And then a touch here between my eyebrows as well as my laugh lines, because I like how it just diffuses them. For bronzer, I'm going to use this old trusty Bye Bye Pores by It Cosmetics. It's almost gone, but I do like it a lot. I don't even know if they make it anymore, but it smells really good and it's just very subtle. I'm gonna go just a little bit underneath the cheekbone, then underneath the jawline, and then right here where the sun would hit, on the apples of my cheek. Right, let's move on to the eyes. I'm going to start with taupe pink, which is right here, and I'm going to put this all over my eye just to create a nice base for the colors that we're going to go in with. So I'm going to go all over the lid and into the crease. My eyelashes are shedding. I'm gonna blend it towards my temple. And then, with the same color, just a smaller brush, I'm going to go on my lower lash line. So now that we have a nice base, I'm gonna go in with the Persona brush because it packs a lot of color and it doesn't have any fallout. And I'm going to reach for the actual pink in here. And I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. Such a beautiful color. And again, I'm going to sweep it towards my temples. Just back, and then go in circular motion to create that cloud and haze of color. Same brush, I'm going to go under, and I'm not worried about going too low because I do want a nice thick color underneath. And once I have that done, I'm going to go back, just my big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to make sure that everything is blended, like no edges, that this pink is nice and blended towards the end. And to add a touch of luminosity in my eyebrow bone, I'm going to go ahead into the blush color here, the lightest, and I'm just going to swipe that right here underneath my eyebrow, and then just gently use this to diffuse the pink and give my eyebrow bone a nice highlight. I'm going to go right here, clean up. If you feel like you have any fallout from your eyeshadows, just go ahead and use your brush that you used to set your under eye and you're good to go. For an added punch, I'm going to go in with the last color here, burgundy, and I'm going to take this on a flat brush and just gently go on my lower lash line only and swipe this from the outer corner gently into the inner corner. Not too much, just enough to give a little bit of depth. And to finish off, I have been just in love with this eyeshadow, hardly use it on myself. This is Dose of Color. They're block party eyeshadows, and look at this. I'm going to gently tap this all over my lid to give that little sparkle. So beautiful. all over my lid. And I'm going to take my pinky and I'm just going to go into my inner corner with just a little touch of luminosity right there. And we are good with the eyes. Just a coat of mascara on my lower lashes. And then we can finish off the face. I'm not sure how to film when I do my lower lash line, because usually you're like this, and mascara faces are not the most pleasant. All right, let's finish off the face. We need some blush and some highlighter and something on our lips. I'm going to do a little concoction here. I'm going to take the Nude Sticks Lip and Cheeks. This is a gel color in Tie. I'm going to glimmer, they call it. So I'm going to mix it on the back of my hand because I don't want to, again, disturb the nice base we created. So I'm going to get quite a generous amount here. And then I'm going to just, next to it, put some color right here. Mix these two together and tap it on my cheeks. Oh, so pretty. Let's see, now that this is fairly creamy, I'm going to go in with this Nude Stick. And then I'm going to take a synthetic brush to just blend this. Such beautiful products, these Nude Sticks. So easy to use. And for the lips, I'm going to use the same pencil because it is for lips and cheeks. And to keep it even more in the tone with everything we have going on, I'm going to top it with a lip oil because I love how this makes my lips so moisturized. Let's see, it might be a little too light. It's light. I don't mind it, but I do want, I have an idea. Don't try this at home, kids. I'm going to go in the palette into the pink. Oh, I love this. Yeah. Yeah. You can do this at your own risk. The palette is for the eyes, but I'm playing, and I love this, almost like a berry. Okay, I think we're done. What do you guys think? I think it's wearable. You can skip the sparkle if you want to, but I do love it. It just adds a little touch of something. And I think as long as you keep your skin pretty clean and your lips just a touch of stain, a touch of color, all is well. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. If you do recreate this, Please tag me on Instagram. I'm over there all the time when I'm not here. Tag me, Violetartistry. I would love to see your creations and repost them. And until next time, stay beautiful.